Okay folks, Rapid Blinds and Shutters. We just finished up an install on Valle Mexican restaurant in Chandler. Did some wood blinds in the bar. As you can see, all custom fit for each window size, common balances across the top. Everything's nice and connected and clean. In the restaurant side, we did something a little different. They have a beautiful view, as you see here, of the lake on this side, and they wanted to preserve that, but they needed something for heat. So what we did was we did solar roller shades, motorized solar rollers. And these are all common, operated on common channels. I'll explain that in a minute. And these are custom, as I said. So what we did here is the shade on the left in this area, we had go all the way down to the windowsill. Over here, we stopped it so it went just below the bottom window. So that way, if anything falls behind the work area, it won't interfere with the shade and cause any clumping or anything like that. So those are on channel 1. As you see here, we move down at the restaurant. We have these are on channel 2. And we'll send this bank of shades down. And the guys are just finishing up with the balances and the wiring, but we're trying to get done before lunchtime gets here. If you guys haven't been here, Josh and Marcy, the managers, they're great. They take care of you. They get the best Mexican food in the valley. And as you see, these will all come down and they'll stop just above the windowsills. So you can still see the nice view, but if the sun was coming through those windows right now, there'd be major protection against the sun. Then over here we have channel 3, and we'll send this bank of shades down. And then lastly on the end we have channel 4. We'll send that bank of shades down. And then you might be wondering, well, do I have to go and change everything individually? That's just how we program these. So they wanted controlled operation depending on the area. Sometimes they want this side down and not the others up. But I'll go ahead and stop these right now. We also have an all channel where it'll control every shade. And if you press the all channel and you press up or down, everything will operate together. Okay. So you're gonna see as we're going through, everything's going up through the entire restaurant. Same thing would be down. So if certain times of the day the heat starts coming through, and you want everything down, you can send them all down at once. Or as we explained earlier, if you want just some shades to go up and down, we can program that for you. And that's just how they had us set them. Your situation might be a little bit different. You might want individually controlled shades or group shades. Whatever your commercial job is, we can make it work for you. And we've been doing this for 24 years. We know motorization. RapidBlinds.com. Thanks.